What's up? It's like pause real quick. I'm going to show you how to break into the Japanese coloring book niche, why you should get in this niche right now, and how to create a coloring book that you can sell online passively on Amazon KDP in record time. So make sure you stay until the very end. Look how it's done. Watch out. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay until the end. If you check right here, I asked ChatGPT because it was a big news that a lot of Americans are visiting Japan right now because the yen is weak, the dollar is much stronger. And yes, Japan is currently experiencing a significant influx of American tourists. And you can see in Amazon KDP that that the numbers do not lie. There is a large interest in, for example, Japanese coloring books of all manner, right? Japanese food coloring books, kawaii, ukiyo-e, all kinds of coloring book trends all around Japan. And I'm going to show you with Nurie Creator how to do it with our done for you feature. Okay, so we have in Nurie Creator AI generated single niche multiplier. We can also email our coloring books right to your inbox, so you can upload it all unique, or you can upload your own clip art. Okay, but for here I just want to use the AI generator. I'm going to show what I can do here, and I'm going to use the done for you feature. Okay, now the done for you feature is really cool. I'm gonna go to the art style here, and I'm gonna go to I can go to kawaii, because kawaii means cute in Japanese, which is a style. But I want to go with something even more Japanese, ukiyo-e. Okay, it means floating world. So situation, I can put in a park, in the ocean, on a deck, in the house. You can put anything you want here. It's optional, but I'm not gonna use this today. I'm just gonna use this right here. I'm gonna just list a bunch of animals. Dog. And I'm gonna add it. So it's add to prompt list, just like that. Let's put one cat. Let's put bird. Add that. Let's put what's another one? As you can see, it's gonna autofill right here. Let's put snake. I can't spell snake. Let's put that in there. Let's put let's put deer. Deer is a popular animal around here. Deer. Let me see what else we got here. What else can we? Let's put goldfish. That's another one. Add that here. Let's put dragon. Okay. And it's all adding right here, as you can see. Right here. And with that, I'm gonna click background layer assist, so it gives me some cool backgrounds. And I'm gonna go with the 8.5 by 8.5, which is now kind of a trend with coloring books. And I'm gonna click generate. Okay. And I'm gonna wait for the software to create my coloring book pages. Okay, really cool stuff. Okay, so I got my first batch here. I'm gonna go with this one here. This has a Japanese, the best Japanese aesthetic in my opinion. I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna go with this bird here. Looks like a crane. Correct me if I'm wrong. I like this one too. Actually, I'll just keep this one. I'm gonna go here and let me see. Let me see which one is best for me. Let's go with this snake here. I'm gonna add this. Let's do a large preview. Check it out. Looks good. Everything looks good. Looks very. It has that ukiyo-e aesthetic. Very nice. I want to make sure I added it. Yeah, there it is. Let's go to the top, and let's go to the next section. 1 second. Right here. Let's go to the next set of images that I requested. And we got some deer. I'm gonna go with this one here. Yeah, this one here is best. I'll go with that. I'm gonna go with goldfish. I'm gonna go with this one here. Yeah, so sometimes we get mistakes, and that's why we give you 4 per prompt, so that you can use the best ones possible. And I'm gonna go with which is the best dragon? Let me see See this one here. That one's cool. What about this one here? This dragon, I'm gonna go with this one here. Okay. And once I have that, I can download them as they are right now, or go to my Speedy Book Export. Speedy Book Export here. It's part of the Elite version. And I can create my whole coloring book in 2 shakes of a tail, just adding them right here. I can download as a PDF. Of course, I want to add more coloring pages. You need at least 24 pages, okay, to have a coloring book. I recommend at least having 40 coloring book pages, which makes your grand total 80 pages, because you also want to include blank pages here. As you can see, these blank pages. These blank pages are very important so that the color doesn't bleed over. Very important thing to remember. You also want to add a title page and a test color page, which Nurie Creator does automatically. So I'm going to go here and click Enable Title Copyright Page and Test Color Page. And let's say the title of your book is a book title, Japanese Animals. Author name Ukiyo-e Asada. And let's say for example, if you had a website for your coloring books, some authors do, you can add it right here. Up to you. We can also change the. Let me show you real quick. You can see here the title, or actually I should say the text, is colorable. That's a very big plus, right? Very big plus that you get with Nurie Creator. Let's change the font type. Maybe we can find something that actually. Aoboshi 1 is pretty Japanese. Actually, it is a Japanese font. I'm going to, let's look for some other ones here, and maybe go with another font. I'm gonna go with Aoboshi 1 because it is a Japanese font. So now I want to add some text here. So I'm gonna put a dog in the park. That's one. As you can see here, the text is colorable. A dog in the park, right? And Aoboshi. I'll put here crane in the, in the bamboo forest. Sorry, I can't spell forest. Snake in the mountains, a snake in the mountains, and so forth, right? And if I do that, it will automatically make the prompt, or make the text colorable, as you can see. Once I'm done doing that, actually, let me finish the rest of this. Let's go to the next page. A deer in Nara. Nara is a famous area with lots of deer here in Japan. A koi in a pond. You can put it. You can even actually make a story if you want. Dragon in the mountains. Dragon in the mountains. And very simple, right? It's gonna add it up there automatically like that. Okay. If you wanna, download this PDF, just click the download button here, just like that, and it's going to give you the PDF, right? You can upload this. Actually, you wouldn't upload just this, right? You definitely want to go in here and add some more coloring book pages. Like I said, at least have 40 coloring book pages, right? That would make a book around 80, 82, including your title and color test page, which is a good sized book for coloring pages. As you can see here, a dog in the park, crane in the bamboo forest, snake in the mountains, and so forth, right? A deer in Nara. Okay, very cool. And that's how we would get into the Japanese market. In this example, I would be going after Japanese animals, but you can definitely go after food, Japanese cars, and so forth. Okay, see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.